Okay students, now we are looking at this word called declining balance method. Just now straight line. What is declining? A declining is another word called reducing balance method. Now the formulas are here. Sometimes given formula we don't know how to use it unless we have an example. So let me start off with the example. If you check this question here, this question clearly stated for you the cost. Alright, the useful life of it and the scrap value of it. So A wants us to find what he called the annual rate. So I'm going to calculate the annual rate. So in order for me to calculate the annual rate, this is what I am going to do. R1 minus square of the useful life, which is called N. If you check here, N is the useful life, 5 over scrap value. The scrap value here is, if you check very clearly, the scrap value for this question is 1000 and the cost is 20,000. So when I go as per the formula, I will put something like this: 1000 over 20,000, root of 5 I write as power of 1 over 5. Okay, then the hero called calculator comes to the picture. So I put 1 minus fraction 1000 over 20,000, close the bracket, to the power of 1 over 5. You have the answer. But rate R, remember this, R always must be in percentage. So I take the answer and I times with 100. I get 45.07. And take note, I don't want decimal, so we're just going to use 45. This is how we calculate. So I put a remark here: I don't need decimal. No decimal required for the percentage. So I put it as 45,000. Now I got the rate. Now I can construct the depreciation schedule. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to teach you how to construct a depreciation schedule using the decline method. Okay, let me start with the first one. Okay, the cost of it was 20,000. Correct? And the rate now is 45%. So I'm just going to take 45% of 20,000. I have a calculator, so I just press the calculator. 45% of 20,000, you have 9,000. Accumulated 9,000. This is 20,000 minus of accumulated 9,000, you get 11,000. Following year, 45% of not 20,000, 11,000. That means the net book value that you have on the first year will be the cost for the following year. So when I press the calculator for this, 45% of 11,000, 4950. Total this up, 13,950. Again, I take this, I plus with 4950. So this is going to be 20,000 minus 13,950. So 20,000 minus 13,950. You have 6,050. So this will be my cost for the third year. So when I do this, this is going to be 45% of 6,050. So take my calculator, 45% of 6,050, 2722.5, right? You saw that, no decimal. So when I round it off, this is 2723. So why 3? Because next to the 2 is 0.5, right? We add. So now I'm going to take 13,950 plus 2723. which is going to be 16,673. So 20,000 minus 16,673 will give you the net book value of 20,000 minus 16,673. The net book value at the end of the third year. This is how we use declining balance method.